Hello everyone, welcome to Introduction to Java. In this video, I'm going to tell you a brief history of Java. Uh, Java is introduced in Java. It was introduced in 1991 by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem. Initially, it was called Awk, but later they renamed into Java. And Java Sun Microsystem was acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2009. So Oracle Corporation is the one who owns Java, and they are working on it, and they are releasing new versions of Java. Before Java, C, C++, which are also known as mother of all languages, the general purpose languages used, and they are still in the market. But the problem with C++ is that they are kind of a platform dependent language, so they are not fully platform independent. So a need of platform independent language is arises at that time, and this is the main concept of designing Java, that this language should be platform independent. um, Java has multiple editions, and Java Standard Edition is the one which we are going to work, Java SE11, and this is the base edition. All other editions are based on this edition, or they added wrapper classes on top of this. So Java Enterprise Edition is formerly earlier known as J2EE. Java Micro Edition, it is used for mobile embedded applications. Java Card is used for smart card applications. Since Java introduced Java version 9, they decided that every 6 months a new release of Java will be introduced, and but it it doesn't mean that the new release will be LTS supported. What LTS mean is that long-term supported. So what happened is that, like, last before Java 11, Java 8 was LTS supported. It's the long-term supported version of Java, and in between Java 9 and 10 is not LTS supported. So it means that they introduce new features or new concepts, but they might get dropped as well in the next version. So I suggest that if you are developing your code, try to use LTS version of Java SE, or just to explore new features you can use non-LTS versions as well, but don't go for your production code with non-LTS version. To more about Java releases, you can visit this link. I will put this link in the video description as well. So in this link you can find out what are the upcoming releases and what are the new features introduced in Java. Java is an object-oriented language. What object-oriented mean, I will explain in later video about the object-oriented concepts. But as I earlier said, that it's an independent platform independent language. So Java Virtual Machine is required to run Java code on any platform. When you compile the Java code, it will not in an executable form. It's when the Java code is compiled, the compiler convert the code into bytecode. So bytecode is not exactly, you can say it's machine code, but it's near to that. So Java Virtual Machine is required to run that bytecode. Java Virtual Machine is part of JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and so it means that on any platform, if JVM is there, your code, your bytecode can get executed. Uh, Java uh, code is a plain text code, plain text file. So, but you have to save it in .java extension. Like if you are write, for example, you write a code and you name the file as hello world.java. So once you compile that code, it will a dot class file get generated with the same name, hello world dot class. So this class file is contain your Java bytecode. So then you can run it on any machine, either it's Windows, Mac, or Linux, but the machine should contain JVM. So JVM will run your bytecode. From Java 9, JVM can be part of your deployment package. It means that you not need to separately deploy JVM. It can be your part of your deployment package, and if the target machine doesn't contain JVM, it will be automatically get installed and your code get executed. So this is the brief history of Java. I hope you like it. Please share your comments, and thank you for watching.